Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel OMG Tech World. In this video I will tell you how to create an avatar for your profile. First of all you have to click on three lines and go to avatar. In avatar you have to first of all select the skin tone for your avatar matching your skin tone. Click on next. You can select hairstyle for your avatar as you desire. In next option you can also select hair color for your avatar. As you see in the video, you can select any type of color for your hair. In the next option you can select face shape as you desire. You can select face shape which can match your face shape so that your avatar can look like of your face shape. In the next option you can select complexion for your face. For example, as seen in the video, you can select as you desire. After selecting the complexion, you can also select lines of your faces. After that, you can also select the eye of your eye shape. As seen in the video, you can select any kind of eye shape as you desire. Moreover, you can select eye colors, for example blue, brown, as your face. Moreover, you can set a makeup for your avatar. In next option you can also select eyebrows for your avatar as seen in the video. Moreover, you can select an eyewear for your avatar if you wear glasses, and can also select glasses color as you desire. In the next option you can also select your nose shape and select your nose shape according to your face. In the next option you can also select your lips shape and color as seen in the video. In the next option you can also select your lips color as I select in this video. Moreover, you can select facial hair like beard and mustache, or you can go without that. In next option you can select body shape according to your desire. The next option is for your outfit of your avatar. You can select any outfit for your avatar as seen in the video. You can also select a headwear or the color and also accessories as seen in the video. It has another option, like if you want to take your picture and want to shape your avatar according to your picture, you can also do that. You have to allow the Facebook to create that. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.